To log into Clever, you will go to clever.com/in/HCPS. It'll bring you to a screen that looks like this. Log in with Active Directory. Once you are here, you will log in with your student ID number and your district password. Now, your district password is the first initial of your first name, the first initial of your last name, and then your birthday month in numbers and your birthday year in numbers. Once you enter that information in, Clever will begin to load, and you'll be brought to your page that looks like this. From here, you'll see e-learning for school closure. We will mainly focus on this Edsby app because my classes will have their work posted in the Edsby app. They will communicate with me through the Edsby app. They'll turn in their work through the Edsby app. We are not going to be using this grade 3 e-learning at all. We will just be using Edsby. And in Edsby, you might be directed to come to iReady. So you'd come to Clever and go to iReady. You might also be directed to go to Myon, which is in here as well. You could potentially be directed to Think Central for some reading text, but for the most part, I'm going to really try to keep it simple for you and upload everything that you would need so that you don't have to go searching for stuff in Think Central. I'll do the best that I can. All right, so coming into Edsby, you click on Edsby, and it brings you right into your Edsby homepage. When you're in this Edsby homepage, you'll see your classes on the left-hand side. You'll see assignments that are due or anything that has a due date on the right-hand side. In the middle is your feed, and your feed will actually show you everything that people have posted in all the classes. So there'll be a mix of stuff in there. You can see that I did the attendance earlier, and I also included some resources for PE, or indoor recess. Our music teacher has posted some stuff, and if I click show older post, I posted some information for parents and some surveys. So all that is in here already in the feed. But if I want to go to just a specific class, so let's say I want to go to recess, teacher-directed PE, I'm going to click on the name of that particular class, and it's going to bring me to the page that has information only about that class. Because that first feed is kind of tricky. There's a lot of stuff thrown up there at one time, and it could be really confusing. So going to the particular class and clicking it is almost like bringing you into that classroom. So you're focused on just the things that pertain to that class. So in here for recess teacher-directed PE, I've posted some Zumba dance videos and some Go Noodle indoor recess videos. Each one of these is a video you can click on and do whenever you'd like. Each one of these is a video as well. And when you click on it, it should bring it right up for you. Just like so.
Once upon a time, there were two trolls.
Of course, there's an ad, but it'll just pop it right up for you. You can do your video. You'd probably have to X out of that. Of course, this is gonna get in the way right now. All right, if I wanted to type something to my teacher, I completed this video on 3, what's today, 25/25/2020. And I share that. Then the comment will be posted underneath the teacher's post, just like so. So you can see the comments right there, and the teacher will know that the child did one of those videos.